We've launched probes into the endless void of space. We've mapped the dusty red surface of Mars, watched stars collapse into black holes, and even captured light that has taken billions of years to reach us. But there is one place NASA hasn't explored, and it might be the most mysterious frontier of all. Stranger than space, more alien than any exoplanet, and more vast than any galaxy. It exists right behind your eyes. So imagine for a moment, what if NASA pointed its most powerful instruments not out into the cosmos, but inward, into your mind? What would they find? The human brain is often called the most complex object in the known universe, but that may not just be a poetic exaggeration. It might be a literal fact. NASA can track the dance of planets around distant stars with astonishing precision. But we still don't fully understand what a single thought is, or how consciousness emerges from flesh and electricity, while NASA studies the mechanics of the universe. Your brain does something even more miraculous. It constructs the meaning behind it. Like a telescope, your brain gathers information from the outside world. But unlike a telescope, it edits the view. Every second, it's bombarded with millions of bits of sensory data. Yet only a tiny fraction reaches your conscious awareness. It is constantly filtering, deciding what matters and what doesn't, based on patterns you're not even aware of. What you see, hear, and feel isn't the world itself. It's a simulation, the clearest signal pulled from the chaos, in a very real sense. Your brain is hallucinating reality and convincing you it's accurate. NASA maps the ocean floors of other worlds, but we still haven't mapped the deepest parts of ourselves. The subconscious is like a dark ocean beneath your awareness, powerful, invisible, and often in control. Emotions, instincts, decisions, many happen before your conscious mind even realizes. It's like dark matter. We can't see it, but we know it's there, shaping everything. Then there's memory, your brain's time machine. NASA studies ancient galaxies to peer into the past, but your brain can do something similar. You remember, you imagine, you simulate, but memories aren't perfect records. They're readable files. Sometimes your brain changes the past, sometimes it invents it. Memory isn't just data. It's a version of time stitched together by neurons. And what about consciousness itself? NASA runs simulations to predict how black holes behave, how stars explode, how planets form. But your brain runs the most advanced simulation of all, reality. Some scientists believe consciousness is just a byproduct of complexity, neurons firing in the right pattern. Others suspect it might be something deeper. Maybe even a fundamental force of the universe, like space or time. Could it be that your brain isn't just observing reality, but helping to generate it in the end? We've built telescopes to look back to the dawn of time. We've studied galaxies forming billions of years ago. But maybe, just maybe, the greatest journey isn't outward, it's inward, because until we understand the mind, we may not truly understand the universe. So the final question remains, what is more mysterious? The cosmos around you or the awareness within you? If that thought made your neurons fire, if it made you question your own perception of reality, then this journey is for you. Hit that like button to keep the algorithm curious. Subscribe to NeuroVerse Dimension, where science meets wonder. And leave a comment. What do you think is more complex, the brain or the universe? Stay curious. The next question might just change everything.